Because in order to rid yourself of these human urges, these demiurges,
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Breaking down the illusion. 3 ways to change your self-identity to get you moving through this matrix. When you're in a space of limbo and mundanity, it can get comfortable and nerve-wracking at the same time.
I'm fast as boy.
This video game, this programming that we're in, are keeping us in this slave drone mindset. In order to break the code, step outside the matrix, there are certain hacks and deprogramming solutions that you can do to escape the mind control lockdown zombie walking dead energy. Our mind has a built-in self-identity we tell ourselves we are. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. Is this meditation really helping me? Self-identities be shot because of our programmer, who didn't know no better, our mama. It's not their fault. They were programmed too, and the cycle and traumas go back generations. This built-in defeated mindset is not us, and we have the power to change the spectrum of this thing. Breaking the mainframe is key, and these things will help in propelling your spiritual journey.
Message.
Number 1, fasting. Fasting is an important feat because in order to rid yourself of these human urges, these demiurges, you have to stop putting in what the system gives you to feel comfortable. That means food, alcohol, weed, shopping, porn. All these things are keeping you in a lockdown. This glamour or this mindset is keeping you in this human. This human is what we're trying to rid ourselves of. And what better way to stop the constant Grubhub, Pornhub, than to take yourself out of the comfortable zone. When you are fasting, you get uncomfortable, and that energy is actually breaking down, purging out the glamour. The first 3 days is usually a challenge, but once you break through that 3rd day, the breakthroughs start coming online. And you're well off to step into your powered self-identity.
Boom.
Number 2, audio auto-suggestion. I am God, I am God, I am God. I am successful, I am successful, I am successful. I am a porn star, I am a porn star, I am a porn star. In today's world, we have access to record our voice and repetitiously play our new self-identity in our head over and over and over again. We can build up the confidence and self-assurance in our mind to become who we say we are. Now, this act is not going to flip the switch in changing your reality. You have to do the work. And in doing the work, that leads me to number 3, visualization techniques. Your meditation's imagination is key in building up your self-identity. These different visualization techniques are the driving force and the power in establishing this self-identity and creating this chaos being that you say you are. The key is, what are you visualizing? How is your mind's eye play going on in your head? Our queen and I go over a plethora of real-world spirit realm techniques that the family can do to get in touch with your true self, your higher self. Chaos being God. Remember, this world isn't real, and the catch-22 has been set in on the masses. Reverse the spectrum of this illusion and align with your purpose to come out sitting on top of the world. Dream wise.